Are you planning to renovate your dream kitchen? Confused about choosing between a modular kitchen and a conventional kitchen? Or maybe you are interested in a modern, practical, and aesthetically pleasing kitchen design. Modular kitchens are a popular modern kitchen design concept due to their flexibility and practicality. Unlike conventional kitchens that are built permanently, modular kitchens consist of separate modules or units that can be assembled and customized according to your needs and preferences. These modules usually consist of cabinets, drawers, shelves, and other components that are designed to be easily combined and rearranged. Modular kitchens consist of various components that can be combined to create a functional and aesthetic kitchen. Some common components of a modular kitchen include cabinets. Cabinets are the main component of a modular kitchen that function as a place to store cooking utensils, kitchen furniture, and food ingredients. Modular kitchen cabinets are available in various sizes, shapes, and materials, such as wood, MDF, or stainless steel. Drawers. Drawers are used to store cutlery, small cooking utensils, and other frequently used items. Modular kitchen drawers are usually equipped with slides or rails that make it easy to open and close the drawers. Shelves. Open shelves or hanging shelves can be used to display cooking utensils, ornamental plants, or other decorations. Modular kitchen shelves add an aesthetic touch and make the kitchen look more alive. Countertops. Countertops are flat surfaces used for preparing food and doing other cooking activities. Modular kitchen countertops are available in various materials such as granite, marble, quartz, or stainless steel. Appliances. Modular kitchens can also be equipped with various kitchen appliances such as stoves, ovens, microwaves, refrigerators, and dishwashers. These appliances can be integrated into the modular kitchen design to create a neat and modern look. Common materials used in modular kitchens: wood, solid wood, plywood, or MDF, medium density fiberboard, are often used to make cabinets and other components. Wood gives a warm, natural look to the kitchen. Metal, stainless steel or aluminum are often used to make cabinets, drawers, or shelves. Metal gives a modern and durable look to the kitchen. Glass. Glass is often used to make cabinet doors or shelves. Glass gives an elegant look and makes the kitchen look more spacious. Stone, granite, marble, or quartz are often used to make countertops. Stone gives a luxurious and durable look to the kitchen. Acrylic. Acrylic is often used to make cabinet doors or backsplashes. Acrylic gives a modern look and is easy to clean. Tips for choosing modular kitchen materials and components. Consider kitchen style. Choose materials and components that match the style of kitchen you want, whether it's modern, minimalist, classic, or others. Pay attention to material quality. Choose high-quality materials so that your modular kitchen is durable and long-lasting. Adjust to budget. Consider the budget you have before choosing modular kitchen materials and components. Choose easy to maintain. Choose materials that are easy to clean and maintain so that your kitchen always looks clean and tidy. Combine correctly. Combine modular kitchen materials and components correctly to create an aesthetic and functional appearance. By choosing the right materials and components, you can create a beautiful, functional, and suitable modular kitchen for your needs. Let's explore modular kitchen design inspirations that you can consider. 1. Modern minimalist. Clean and simple lines. Cabinets without handles or with hidden handles, flat surfaces, and minimal ornamentation. Neutral colors, white, gray, cream, or a combination of two colors. Modern materials, stainless steel, glass, or high gloss finish. Hidden lighting. LED lights under cabinets or in drawers. Second, industrial chic. Raw materials, exposed concrete, exposed brick or metal. Dark colors, dark gray, brown, or black. Open cabinets, hanging shelves or cabinets without doors. Third, Scandinavian. Bright colors, white, cream, or pastels. Natural materials, wood, rattan, or linen. Simple furniture, wooden chairs or minimalist dining tables. Houseplants, add a touch of green for freshness. Fourth, farmhouse. Warm colors, ivory, cream, or tan. Natural materials, solid wood, brick, or wicker. Antique furniture, vintage cabinets or old wooden chairs. Decorative accents, cotton drop cloths or wicker baskets. Vintage lighting, Edison pendant lights or spotlights. 5. Classic elegance, luxurious colors, white, cream, or gold. Quality materials, solid wood, marble, or brass. Ornamental details, carved cabinets or crystal chandeliers. Luxurious furniture, upholstered chairs, or a marble dining table. 6. Colorful, bold combinations. Pair bright colors like red, yellow, or blue with neutrals. Bright accents. Use bright colors on backsplashes, cookware, or decor. Unique motifs. Choose patterned tiles or eye-catching wallpaper. Personal expression. Show your personality through the colors you choose. 7. Small kitchen. Maximize space. Use tall cabinets, hanging shelves, or pull-out drawers. Bright colors. Choose white or cream to make the kitchen look more spacious. Optimal lighting. Make sure the kitchen gets enough natural and artificial light. Multifunctional furniture. Choose a folding table or stackable chairs. Hopefully this modular kitchen design inspiration can help you create your dream kitchen.